Beautiful people, today you're going to learn how to make vegan Caesar salad. Starting off with 150 grams of lettuce, 1 slice of bread, 150 grams of your favourite vegan chicken replacement, now 3/4 to 1 cup of vegan mayo, 1 clove of garlic, 1 sheet of nori, 1 teaspoon of vegan Worcester sauce, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, and the juice of half a lemon. Let's start off by making the sauce. We're adding all the wet ingredients in, including the mustard, the garlic, the nori, the nooch, and we're going to give that a nice blitz. Beautiful people, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you like vegan recipes from all around the world, do me a massive favour, hit that subscribe button, it will take you 2 seconds. As you can see, a lovely Caesar sauce. Now, with this particular brand, I'm just giving it a light fry up. I'm going to take the bread, cut it into cubes, and I'm going to lightly fry it alongside some herbs, whatever herbs you prefer, oregano, basil, whatever. Get them nice and toasted, and set them aside. Now onto the lettuce, I'm just adding the sauce in, giving it a good stir, adding in the vegan chicken, sprinkling on some salt, pepper, some additional nooch to replace the parmesan, and there you have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give me a like, give me a comment, leave me a subscribe. Ciao for now, see you on the next one.